Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen Are True, chapter 68. So here it is. Let's read the story. Talk to Queen Jiangshu and Queen Xishaning. Finally, she's been safe. It was really great that Xishaning, she has a good reflex, that's why she really saved her one time. And Jiangshu is now, she thinks, the moment I lost my footing and I fell, well, Xishaning, she's not hesitating but she go after her. Saving me was an instinct, Xishaning said to herself. Of course, Jiangshu, she knows that it was not instinct but it was really going to save her. Now everything makes sense to her. The answer is no. Well, definitely she knows right now that Xishaning always try to save her. Even though her life is put on it, she will always save her before hers. Now, why still I? How many times she has saved me since she came into this world? It's because of the few worlds in the history books. As soon as there's a light disturbance right now, Queen Jiangshu, she was squatting down, probably. She was thinking hard. Well, how to say thank you to her, even though she know to herself that Xishaning is not a bad person, but also she really cares about her. Xishaning, she's been rattled, and she was calling Jiangshu. But Jiangshu, right now, said to her, "Sorry, I shouldn't have doubted you." Well, maybe she realized something, but Xishaning, she was not really bad. The relationship between you two siblings is not good to begin with. How can I trust him and not you? If you really wanted to eliminate me, why would you risk your life to save me again and again? Well, it really makes sense, right? That's why she was hesitating in the first place. She know to herself that Xishangan and Xishaning are blood relatives. If you're okay, I'm okay too. Now, Xishaning said to Jiangshu. She moved closer to her and kissed her on the forehead. Probably she's trying to calm her down so she can able to think fast. Well, for Jiangshu, she is really looking forward about this. How can Xishaning deal with her blood relatives, even though in this case, it was really too hard for Xishaning. So, how would you answer me for what I just said? Xishaning is asking Jiangshu. Of course, Jiangshu right now, she kept herself silent and questions her, what? What is the question that she's going to answer? Now, she's been fussed about this. Well, probably. It is a big misunderstanding, but of course, right now, she really needs to answer her. Remember what happened and a few minutes ago, and the two of them is going to fall down. Well, Jiangshu, she is trying to make an alibi and said to her, it's too windy, so I cannot hear it. So it turns out Jiangshu, she is really a tricky person. Sister, can you say it again? And again, and again, and again. Jiangshu said to Xishaning. Of course, Xishaning right now. His courage. She's been exhausted. Probably, she really won't deal with this kind of chaos. But since she really likes Jiangshu, of course, right now, she will do anything for her. Jiangshu, she kept asking Xishaning. Right now, Xishaning, she is not answering back. But moreover, she is getting angry on her. Since you have admitted your mistake, please move back to the Kuning Palace tonight. Since you have admitted your mistake. The Kuning Palace. Well, definitely, Xishaning. She really want to repeat that answer. Now, it really makes sense. She really got serious about this. Well, it was really difficult, right? How to deal with your blood relatives right now. They came back to the palace. How can Xishaning deal with her blood relatives? Now, Jiangshu, she got really fussed about this. Probably she was also hesitating. It's not that I didn't jump off the building. Shishangan said that eliminating me was your edict. I thought they gave up to pursue it halfway because you wanted to eliminate me yourself. Queen Jiangshu said to Shishaning. Shishangan? No, it makes sense to her. She doesn't know that her family is doing things like that to Jiangshu. Now everything makes sense to her. Of course, she need to punish Shishangan for the things that she done to Jiangshu. Shishangan, how dare you? Shishaning said to herself. Well, finally, they came back to the palace. You are ordered to search. How dare you besiege my dignified censor mansion? Now, it really makes sense. Let's see on what will happen. You are ordered to search. How dare you to besiege my dignified censor mansions? Queen Jiangshu's father said to Shishangan. Now, look at them. The commotion and the tension is really getting too high. For this faith in me, pretending to be sick is a big crime of their treatment and, well, this is not good. To mention the disease, even the dead can be angry with your shameless person. That said, this adult is still a Chinese medicine practitioner. You, the father of Queen Jiangshu, right now. She was putting attention on Shishangan. Shishangan trying to look away from her father. Well, of course, she know that. But it really makes sense. Finally, Jiangshu and Shishaning. On Queen Jiangshu, Manor, what happened to this old guy? I want to meet the Queen Mother. Meet the Queen Mother. The Empress Dowager is here to treat the malfeasance of the old minister. Well, let's see on what will happen. How can they deal on Shishangang on this case? Queen Jiangshu's father, is she going to tell the Queen Shishanings about everything's happened today? Well, probably she really need to. But let's see and wait what will happen. Jiangshu suddenly embracing her father from the back. The old minister also has been Ning and Gendai for Dashi. You can stop for a while, it's not for you, Jiangshu said to her father. Well, Shishaning, she can finally confront on Shishangan. This really feels strange, right? The two blood relatives are going to fight each other because Jiangning, what are you doing? I will do a fake spread of the mourner. Well, definitely, she is really getting serious. Now, Shishangan, it seems that, and it really makes sense. She will really get punished by Shishaning for what she does to Queen Jiangshu. This thing. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!